are going to study a new topic, that is derivative of inverse trigonometric functions. That means we are going to find derivative of sine inverse of x, cos inverse of x, tan inverse of x, cot inverse x, sec inverse x and cosec inverse x. Consider the first one, f of x equal to sine inverse of x. We want to find its derivative. So let y equal to sine inverse of x. If y equal to sine inverse of x, what is value of x? X will be sine y. Then differentiating this equation with respect to y. So left hand side is dx by dy is equal to d by dy of sine y. What is d by dy of sine y? That is equal to cos y. So at last we want to find dy by dx. So take the reciprocal on both sides. So dy by dx is equal to 1 by cos y. Now we want to express this cos y in terms of sine, because sine y is equal to x. So 1 by cos y, we know that cos y is equal to 1 by 1 minus sine square y. So since sine y equal to x, sine square y will be x square. So we'll get 1 by root of 1 minus x square. That means if y equal to sine inverse of x, then dy by dx equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Means derivative of sine inverse x is 1 by root of 1 minus x square. That is one standard result. Now same way we can find derivative of cos inverse. Second one, consider y equal to cos inverse of x. So if y equal to cos inverse of x, what is value of x? X equal to cos y, right? So dx by dy, differentiating both sides with respect to y. Dx by dy means derivative of cos y with respect to y, that is minus sin y. So take reciprocal on both sides. So we'll get dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to minus 1 by sin y. So just like last one, express sin y in terms of cos, because cos y is equal to x. So we'll get minus 1 by root of 1 minus cos square y. So that is equal to minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. That means derivative of cos inverse of x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Now we can derive derivative of tan inverse of x, that is y equal to tan inverse of x. If y equal to tan inverse of x, then what is x? X equal to tan y, right? So differentiating with respect to y, so we'll get dx by dy is equal to d by dy of tan y, that is sec square y. Now take reciprocal on both sides. We'll get dy by dx. Dy by dx is equal to 1 by sec square y. Now sec square y you have to express in terms of tan y, because tan y is x. So 1 equal to, how we can express sec square y in terms of tan? Sec square y, we know that sec square y is equal to 1 plus tan square y. So this expression we can change as 1 by 1 plus x square. That means derivative of tan inverse of x is 1 by 1 plus x square. We are going to derive derivative of y equal to cot inverse of x. Okay, y equal to cot inverse of x means x equal to cot y. So if you differentiate both sides with respect to y, you will get dx by dy equal to derivative of cot y is equal to minus cosec square y, which means dy by dx equal to minus 1 by cosec square y. Okay, now cosec square y you have to express in terms of tan. Cosec square y equal to 1 plus cot square y. Okay, so answer is minus 1 by 1 plus x square. So derivative of cot inverse x is minus 1 by 1 plus x square, and derivative of tan inverse x is just 1 by 1 plus x square. Now we can derive our fifth one, that is derivative of y equal to sec inverse of x. So if y equal to sec inverse of x, what is x? X equal to sec y. Okay. Now differentiating with respect to x, we'll get dx by dy is equal to d by dy of sec y. What is the derivative of sec y? That is sec y into tan y. With respect to y, we are differentiating. Now take reciprocal. So if you are taking reciprocal, you will get dy by dx. dy by dx equal to 1 by sec y into tan y. This expression you have to express in terms of sec, because sec y is x. That means you have to change tan. You have to express tan in terms of sec. So 1 by sec y, and tan y, we know that tan y equal to sec square y minus 1, right? So derivative of sec inverse of x will be 1 by x, because sec y is x, 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. Okay. Now at last we have to find derivative of y equal to cosec inverse of x. Okay. That is our sixth formula. Y equal to cosec inverse of x, then x equal to cosec y. So differentiating with respect to y. Derivative of cosec y with respect to y is minus cosec y into cot y. Okay. Now take reciprocal on both sides. So we get dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to minus 1 by cosec y into cot y. Express cot y in terms of cosec. That is minus 1 by cosec y into cot y. We know that cot y equal to cosec square y minus 1. That means derivative of cosec inverse of x is minus 1 by x into root of x square minus 1. So dear students, derivative of sin inverse x equal to 1 by root of 1 minus x square, and derivative of cos inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 minus x square. Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 by root of 1 plus x square, and derivative of cot inverse x is minus 1 by root of 1 plus x square. Derivative of sec inverse x equal to 1 by x in the root of x square minus 1, and derivative of cosec inverse of x will be minus 1 by x in the root of x square minus 1. Now we have to do some problem by using these formulas. First question, find dy by dx. Find dy by dx, where y equal to e raised to x into sine inverse of x. Actually, e raised to x is a standard formula, and sine inverse of x is also a standard formula. For finding derivative, right hand side you have to apply product rule, right? So e raised to x into derivative of sine inverse x, that is 1 by root of 1 minus x square, plus second function, that is sine inverse x into derivative of e raised to x, that is e raised to x. This is the answer. Now consider second question. Find dy by dx where y equal to tan inverse of 5x. Actually, tan inverse of x is standard formula. Tan inverse of 5x is combination of two functions. First one is tan inverse, and inside that we have one another function, that is 5x. So first you have to find derivative of tan inverse x, then derivative of 5. Okay. So dy by dx, derivative of tan inverse is 1 by 1 plus 5x whole square. Okay. Then derivative of 5x. What is derivative of 5x? 5 into derivative x. Okay, that is 5, because derivative of x equal to 1. This is the answer. Now third question, find dy by dx where y equal to sine inverse of e raised to x. Okay, so again combination of two functions, sine inverse and e raised to x. So dy by dx we can find directly. First you have to find derivative of sine inverse, that is 1 by root of 1 minus x square, means e raised to x whole square. After that you have to find derivative of e raised to x, that is e raised to x. Now consider another question, that is find dy by dx, y equal to sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square. Actually term inside the bracket one is one complicated term. If you are using combination formula it will be difficult. So if question is of this kind, our method is first you have to change function into its simplest form that we studied in inverse trigonometry chapter. By using a proper substitution for x, we can convert this sine inverse 2x by 1 plus x square into one simplest form. After that you have to differentiate. So we can give x equal to tan theta, because this is a structure of that formula. Y equal to sine inverse of 2 tan theta. Okay, 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. What is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta? That is sine 2 theta. So we'll get y equal to sine inverse of sine 2 theta. Okay. Now you know that sine inverse of sine x equal to x. Therefore, sine inverse of sine 2 theta, that is equal to 2 theta. Okay. That means y equal to 2 into value of theta. What is value of theta? If x equal to tan theta, theta equal to tan inverse of x. So simplest form of y equal to sine inverse of 2x by 1 plus x square is y equal to 2 into tan inverse x. That means you have to differentiate the simplest form in order to get the answer. So dy by dx equal to 2 into derivative of tan inverse x, because 2 is a constant. 2 into, what is the derivative of tan inverse x? 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. So we can do one more question. Find dy by dx, y equal to, okay, y equal to tan inverse of 3x minus x cube by 1 minus 3x square. Here also we cannot use combination formula. First you have to write its simplest form by using a proper substitution for x. So what we can give for x? X equal to tan theta, right? So when x equal to tan theta, this expression changes to y equal to tan inverse of 3 tan theta. Okay, 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So one formula, right? 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta by 1 minus 3 tan square theta is tan 3 theta. So we'll get y equal to tan inverse of tan 3 theta. So tan inverse of tan x equal to x. So y equal to 3 theta. What is value of theta? Since x equal to tan theta, theta will be tan inverse of x. So y equal to 3 into tan inverse of x. So what is dy by dx? Dy by dx equal to derivative of 3 tan inverse x. That is 3 into 1 by 1 plus x square. Okay. So we can take 1 or 2 questions as homework. So homework. Find dy by dx where y equal to sine inverse of 3x minus 4x cube. Okay, first you have to simplify, you have to write its simplest form, then you have to differentiate. So first question. Second one, y equal to cos inverse of 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Okay.